My name is Tracy Brown, and I'm an education consultant with AVI SPL in Washington, D.C. The short video today is going to help you import PowerPoint files into Smart Notebook software so that you can gain more interactive features when working on your interactive smartboard. The first step to importing a PowerPoint file into Notebook software is to open a blank notebook file. So I'm going to double click on my notebook icon, and while we're waiting for that to launch, I'll explain some of these interactive features that you can get out of importing PowerPoint into Notebook. You can get ease of object manipulation as well as ease of digital ink on the page. So now that we have a blank notebook file open, we're going to come up to our File menu in the upper left-hand corner of the desktop, give that a click, and then we're going to come about halfway down the menu to the option that says Import. When we select on that, it opens the Browse window that we are all fairly familiar with from our desktop in general. And I'm going to choose a PowerPoint file that I have here. And then I'm going to click the option Open. This process is going to take approximately 30 seconds. It's different depending on how long the PowerPoint presentation actually is. But you'll notice that Notebook software is actually opening PowerPoint in order to preview the file as the file conversion is taking place. And once it's previewed the entire file, it creates it as a notebook file. So now I have all of the content that was in a PowerPoint file available in the notebook file. And just by looking at the page here, you can see that we have access to the notebook toolbar across the top. From the page sorter menu that appears on the left-hand side of the desktop, you can see that every slide that was in the PowerPoint is a separate page in notebook software. I can also click on the text and edit any of this content. And because I'm working in notebook software, I can easily pick up a pen, circle some of these changes that I've recently made, draw attention to something that's particularly important, tell someone that this particular note is misspelled, etc. So all of the notebook tools are available, and again, because Notebook is designed to be used on an interactive whiteboard, it's a much more interactive program and will get you more features and functions out of those PowerPoint files that you have. So when I'm done using this notebook file on my smartboard, I might want to save it and then maybe send it to the participants who attended the meeting today. But if those participants don't have Notebook on their desktop back in their office, they aren't going to be able to open the file today with the changes. So one of the other options that you have available to you, I'm going to click on my File menu to show you, is to export this file as well. So when you're done using it on your smartboard, you go to File, come about halfway down in that drop-down menu again, and we see the option Export. I can, of course, export it right back to the PowerPoint platform. Every page from Notebook will go back to being a slide in the PowerPoint file, but I'll also have any annotations, any notes, any changes that I made to the file will still be available in the PowerPoint version. I can also export it to PDF, which would be a nice small file size if I wanted to send this as an email to the participants that came today. So I'm going to choose that option to export to PowerPoint. And we're going to give this a name. And then save it right back to the PowerPoint platform again. So now if I close this file, give that a minute to catch up, we can save the notebook, or I'm going to choose the option No. When we come back to that folder that I have called Demo Files, you'll see that we have the Demo PowerPoint export file. And if I open that, it opens inside of PowerPoint. And all changes that I had made Once again, giving that a second to catch up with me. There you go. Any editations that I had made to the file while it was in the notebook program show up in PowerPoint. So any participants that had attended the training today while I was using Notebook could be given the PowerPoint version with all of those changes to it. So I hope this demonstration of importing PowerPoint into the Notebook platform and then exporting from Notebook to PowerPoint has helped you to gain a little more interactive function out of your smartboard by using things in that interactive program. Good luck to you.